You're welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, you see this very area, like I said yesterday, that market is going to come back down, that I am not expecting any big move to the upside. And not only that, Bitcoin is trading at 16.3k level approximately. And on the 4-hour chart, I said you should expect retracement. That is exactly what is happening right now. And on ETH, the same thing. I said from this level, this is a very strong resistance here, support at this area. That means this resistance at this point is very strong. So I said expect retracement to the downside, and that is what we are experiencing right now. So what are we expecting in the market? Is this market going to move right down to this area, or we're going to see a little move before the next move to the upside? All of this and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all the educational content. Leave a like and share this video. On the BTC USD 1-day chart, like I said, that I am not expecting the market to move to the upside aggressively, and that I am expecting the market to come back down. And the reason why, because the 1 week chart right here is heading to the downside. So it will be very difficult for the 1-day chart to just fly to the upside when a higher time frame is heading downward. So that is why I said in my previous video yesterday that market is going to come back down, and that is what we are experiencing right now. And nothing much have actually changed in the price action around this area, but still expect the market to head back to the downside. And on the 4-hour chart BTC, if you look at it very well, you see market tends to move down, as I was talking about. Then this little move, this very area, and this is a signification that markets lose that strength to move to the upside. And so therefore, and this very candle coming downwards, so expect the market to move back down. That means from this area where the market started moving, from this very point where I was talking about yesterday, right to the downside, expect this retracement to come into the market. And on ETH right here, the same thing. I talk about market moving downward from this very candle right here, and the market move a little bit to the upside, and right now is heading downward. So nothing much have really happened on this chart, but a quick update. Still expect the market to move back down, guys, in form of a retracement. Remember, I said at this very area, the market did not create a new high. You see, this high is higher than this very high right here. And so that also means the bulls are not very strong in the market, and the bear are still very much in the market, and they are willing to move the market to the downside. Not only that, this is a very strong resistance right here. You see resistance here, have resistance at this area as well. So this area is very strong, and market have to move in this retracement formation. So this is what you should be expecting today as we wrap up the market for the weekend. So what do you think about the market on the 1-day chart BTC? Do you think this market is going to go down up to this level of support? Comment below in the comment section of this video. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX, $600 bonus on Bybit when you use the link down below to claim those bonuses. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.